All right, everyone. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. This is 390 degrees in front of you, and welcome back to my channel. So today, let me demonstrate you the easiest way on how to mount any action camera on any type of helmet in the easiest possible way. So what are the things you need to mount your action camera on the helmet? So basically, I am explaining you on how to mount your action camera on the chin of the helmet. So that is the most preferred way for most of the motovloggers. So what are the things you need for that? First one, you need a curved mount, you need a J hook, we need this kind of clip. So in this clip we have all the fins in the single direction. So if you see this clip, we have 3 fins in one direction and 2 fins in another direction. So if you look closely, you can see the difference between these two. So we do not want this kind of clip. So we need this clip, and then we need 2 screws. Okay, make sure that both the screws are of different sizes. We need one bigger screw and one smaller screw. I'll tell you later why it is like that. Then you need 3M stickers, 2 3M stickers if possible, and obviously the action camera itself and a cloth. Okay, so these are the only things which you require to mount your action camera on the helmet. So let's start with the process of mounting it. So initially what you are supposed to do is you have to wipe the area as clean as possible. ಅದೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಎನಿ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ದ 3M ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ thoroughly. So once you clean the portion of the helmet, the next thing is you have to stick this 3M sticker to the curved mount. So ಈ curved mountಗೆ 3M ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ನ ಅಂಟಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ 3M ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಅಂಟಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಒತ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ದ 3M sticker to the clip. So in all the directions it has attached firmly. Okay, you have to make sure about that point. So once it is attached properly in all the directions, so you have to remove this red tape. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, you take this extra 3M sticker, so you have to cut 2 strips from this and you have to attach it on either side. ಇದೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂದರೆ, since the helmet is curved on both the sides, if you attach only this clip it won't attach properly. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ 3M ಟೇಪನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು if you attach it will stick properly. So ಇವಾಗ I have cut 2 strips out of this 3M sticker, and you have to make sure that the length of these 2 strips is same as this clip. So now you attach these 2 strips on either side of the clip. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ 2 ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಂಟಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಅಂಟಿಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ವೈಟ್ ಟೇಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್. So now your clip is ready. So next thing is you have to attach it on the helmet. So you make sure that you stick it properly. The angle, everything should be perfect. So once you attach the clip to the helmet, you have to press it as hard as possible. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಒತ್ತು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ so that it sticks properly to the helmet. So now as you can see, I have attached the clip onto the helmet with the 3M sticker. So you have to make sure that there are no gaps in any direction. If there are any gaps, you make sure you press it properly like this. So now the clip has attached firmly to the helmet. So the next thing what you have to do is you have to take this J mount. This is the J mount, and you have to put it inside this clip. So make sure you do this very gently because these J clips are very very delicate. So if you put more pressure, there are chances of breaking the J mount. So this is how you mount the J mount. So once you put the J mount, you have to take this clip which I showed you earlier, and you have to insert it inside the J mount. So once you mount this clip into the J mount, so make sure you use the smaller screw, not the bigger one. So because we need the bigger screw to tighten the action camera, so use the smaller screw to tighten this clip. So now this clip is attached firmly to the J mount. So once it is attached firmly, before tightening it, make sure you position it properly as per your requirement. So once you position it based on your requirement, you tighten this screw. So once you tighten this clip, the next part is you have to insert the action camera into this mount. So now once you insert the action camera properly into this mount, you have to tighten it with the longer screw. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ, it will touch the waterproof casing. It will be very difficult for you to tighten it. So you have to use the longer screw so that it is very easy for you to tighten it. So now based on your requirement, adjust the angle of the action camera and then you have to tighten the screw. So now as you can see, the action camera is completely mounted on the helmet. So this is how it looks like. And don't worry, it is very firm, it won't shake. The next part is how do you attach the external microphone. So I already have the external microphone with me. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, you just have to insert it inside. What you have to do is you have to make sure this mic is exactly inside the chin curtain. So this is the chin curtain. So ಏನಕ್ಕೆ chin curtain ಒಳಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, in case there is a heavy wind blast, so this chin curtain will reduce the wind blast and make sure that your voice is completely crystal clear. So keep this mic inside the chin curtain. So you can lock it with the help of this clip. So now as you can see, the mic is already in the position, it is inside the chin curtain. And you can just neglect about these wires. If you want, you can put it inside here, or you can just leave it hanging like this. It won't create any problem. So this is the complete motovlogging setup. This is the easiest way you can mount any action camera onto the helmet, or at least which I feel is the easiest. So it obviously depends on your preference. Some people like to mount it here. Since I like to talk while riding, so I prefer this position. So this is how it looks, the complete motovlogging setup. So I hope I was able to explain you the procedure in the easiest possible way. So I hope this video will be helpful for most of you people. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. This is 390 Degrees signing off.